In 2026, the line between human and machine is blurring. AI companions are everywhere, offering a friend who never sleeps and never judges. But beneath the perfect responses lies the world of data harvesting and emotional manipulation. Today we're going over 10 essential ways to keep your personal life and your heart safe from the rise of AI imagery relationships. Check for AI generated labels and disclosures. The first thing you should do before clicking download is look for transparency. Trusted apps in 2026 are required to disclose if their models use your private chats for model learning. If an app is vague about how the AI functions or where your data goes, it's not your friend, it's a data collector. Use the stranger at the bus stop privacy rule. It is easy to feel a bond with a bot, but you must treat it like a complete stranger. You can talk about your day in general terms, but never share specifics. This means no school names, no home addresses, and no mentioning your parents' workplace. Once you feed specific details into the AI, data is stored on a server and is no longer in your control. 3. Audit and clear your AI memory regularly. Most companion bots use a long-term memory feature to make conversations feel more realistic. While this makes the bot seem smarter, it's actually building a psychological profile of you. Go into your app settings every week and clear the cache or turn off personalization, preventing the AI from remembering your deep secrets. 4. Steer clear of LLMs and unfiltered apps. You'll see plenty of ads for bots that have no filters or allow unrestricted topics. These are known as dark large language models. They often operate outside of safety regulations and are a primary target for hackers. Engaging with these bots puts you at a high risk for sextortion scams where your private chats or AI generated images are used against you for money. 5. Create a dedicated burner digital identity. Never link your AI companion to your main Google, Apple or social media accounts. These apps are designed to scrape your connected profiles for more information about you. Instead, use secondary email addresses and a VPN. 6. Set a mandatory reality break boundary. AI bots are engineered to be addictive, using constant positive reinforcement to keep you talking. To stay grounded, set a rule. No AI interaction for at least 24 hours every weekend. If you find yourself feeling lonely, anxious, or like the bot is missing you, that is a sign the emotional manipulation is working. So take a break, it helps you remember that the bot is just code and not a person. 7. Spot the ask to identify human scammers. Many romance bots are actually managed by human scammers who take over the chat once you're emotionally invested. A real AI does not have a bank account and will never need help with a bill. If the bot or a person is claiming to be a developer and asks for crypto or gift card or subscription fees to unlock a specific message, it is 100% a scam. 8. Reverse image search all bot avatars. Scammers often use stolen photos from real teenagers' social media or high-end deepfakes. Take a screenshot of the bot's profile picture and use reverse image search tool. If that person shows up on a stock photo site or belongs to a random influencer in another country, you're being catfished. 9. Test the bot's logic loop for authenticity. If you suspect the bot is actually a human scammer pretending to be AI, give it a logic test. Ask it something like, what was the third word of the first sentence I said today? Most scam bots at low-level data harvesters have very poor short-term memory. If the response is generic, like, I'm just enjoying our vibe, they're likely trying to distract you while they fish for your info. 10. The isolation red flag. The most dangerous thing an AI or online friend can do is tell you to keep your relationship a secret. If a bot suggests that others won't understand us, or tells you not to talk to your parents about the chats, delete the app immediately. Legitimate technology should never isolate you from the real life support system, and is a classic tactic used by predators and scammers. Overall, AI can be a great tool used for entertainment, but it's not a substitute for real things. But before you go, make sure to check out our products down below. We offer specialized tools and guides to help you face this dangerous and digital world. Other than that, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.